YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy SRT Rick. You know, we back with another banger, you feel me? We got the murdered out Scatpack right here, 2019 dodgecharger Scatpack. As you can tell by the title of the video, we about to be drifting every corner. Probably not every corner, but I'm gonna try to get most of the corners. I'm about to take you on the back roads, so like, you know, it's narrow roads. I can't be going too crazy. I ain't trying to go. I was thinking about going in the city, but it'd be too many cops out there, so I don't feel like dealing with them right now. I don't feel like going on a chase today.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
I'm gonna take y'all to the back roads, but y'all can get a little quick glimpse of the baby real quick. It's still a little dirty right now, and it's summertime, so you know pollen is back in effect. It's terrible, and especially with black cars. Yeah, let's get into it, y'all. I'm about to just get in there and go crazy for y'all, man. And I only got one hand, because I don't got a GoPro, so bear with me. I'm gonna try my best. All right, y'all, let's get into it. It's gonna be kind of like a POV drive and me drifting the corners too. So I'm not gonna drift every corner like I said. I'm gonna try to get most of the corners. But let's get to it, man. Put ourselves in sport mode. And you can spin or drift in track mode, but I like doing the sport mode. Like, I feel like I got better handle with the sport mode. And we're gonna turn that traction control off real quick. All right, so you have to have that traction control off before y'all start spinning. Do not spin while that shit is off. I mean, some people just click it and think it's off. Like, no, it's not. It's not off until you hold that button for like 5 to 8 seconds. Then it'll completely go off. I might just spin out this bitch right here for real. Shit. Yeah, that was pretty clean. We're gonna have some fun, man. I think Scatpacks is better to spin with than hellcats anyway, for real. So I do got Pirellis on this John. I like the way they spin for real, I ain't gonna lie. I hit this light right here, we're gonna head straight into the back roads and get to it, man. Well, this is a yield. So many cars ahead of me and behind me. I'm gonna have to let these cars go. Well, I'm trying to spin. I don't care. I'm bending this one. Oh no, there's a car right there. Yeah, you can go, bud. Cause I'm hitting this corner right in. Ooh. Oh my God, that was clean. And there was a car coming. I'm really him. If there's no cars coming, we're definitely bending this corner right here. This is a nice one. Oh yeah, no cars coming. Oh yeah, we're definitely bending. Oh my God. Bro, this shit is too fun, bro. Oh my God, that shit is too fun, bro. Yeah. I would like let y'all hear the car, but like the wind noise, man, it be busting. bro. This is terrible. Go ahead, bro. Thank you. Now I'm about to bend this one right here. Oh my God. Ew, that was disgusting. That was clean. I wish I could get the outside POV, but I don't got somebody to record for me, man. Outside be so tough, y'all can see that. Ain't gonna lie, y'all just had 12 past me. I don't know what's going on. I hope he look for me. Just be quick to call the cops out here. It's so bad. Alright, y'all, we back. Had to find a spot to turn, bro. There's so many straight streets right there. My tire marks are still here. I did that like a couple months ago. Oh yeah, we about to bend this corner, bro. What? I'm redlining like a mother, but I only got one hand, so it's like I can't do anything about it. Feel me? Smell of burned tires, bro. I love that smell. It smells so good. I'm about to take y'all to that spot real quick. Wide open parking lot, you feel me? Been a couple corners here and shit for y'all. Sorry so many skips, y'all. I'm just trying to get past the little POV portion because y'all be getting tired of that POV sometimes. I'm about to dice y'all real quick. Should I hit this corner right here? I'm about to hit this corner right here. Oh my God. See, this is like, look, this the spot right here, yeah, me. Yeah, man, I'm about to bust a UE real quick. God, I'm fucking in, bro. This spot is so hot now, though. I'm about to bust this right. Hold on. Oh my God. This shit is so fun, bro. Bro, get a scat, bro. No bull. Get a scat or a cat. RT is cool too if you get an open, like if you get a diff. You gotta get a differential though. Because if you don't got a differential, it's kind of, I mean, RTs are calm too though, bro, don't get me wrong. But it's like, if you want to slide, you gotta get a scat. You feel me? Like, the RTs is cool and all, but I feel like it just don't got that much, it don't got that power to like slide. Like, don't get me wrong though, you can slide a RT. And we've seen it firsthand. We got Lord Bender, we got 5.7, we got my baby Jordan. You feel me? Be going crazy, they be bending shit. But they got the differential though. You can't bend with no open diff. My God, this motherfucker is screaming right now. I'm gonna give y'all a few more corners. I'm gonna bend a few more corners for y'all. Y'all think if I bend this joint, I'm drawing? Oh, this shit is too fun. I'm about to bend this joint right here. Oh, this. I'm bending this corner right here. just tore that neighborhood up real quick. I'll probably slide 2 more corners for y'all, man, then call it. I don't want to bore y'all, so I'll just bend this one right here. I might as well just bend this one right here. Yeah, I'm over here bending corners in Mexico. I'm tweaking. Oh my God. I'm really him. Oh my God, I'm bending another one right here. Off rip. Off rip. Off rip. One more? Hold on, is there any cars coming? We gotta hit this corner very quick for the one time. So I've been out of here. Last bend, y'all, last bend, ready? My God, chill. Had this V8 screaming through the woods real quick. Oh my God, what's that? Is that RT? I think that was an RT, huh? Yeah, calm little RT. That was a calm little RT, man. Nah, that was fun as hell, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. If you want a mopar or something, like, and you can't afford a hellcat, get a Scat, bro. I promise. A Scat's fun. Like, a Scat is just as fun, especially if you want to slide. Like, these cars are tough, bro. Don't let nobody tell you Scatpacks ain't tough, because they are tough, bro. Promise. Let's see how cooked the tires are. I doubt they're cooked. I didn't really draw. I only did his corners. Bend this shit. They're not cooked. They should be straight. They are. Hey, too crazy. But alright, y'all, so that's the sliding every corner video, or you know, that's sliding some corners, the corners I can get for y'all. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you tuned in for this long, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy SRT Rick, and we out.
Out of table like bucks. Youngest turn, nigga out my city. Ain't had much right where you from. Keep that fire on me like Richie, I'm out of Tampa, I got them bucks. Keep 2 quarters on me, that's a 50 ball, make it touchdown, Andrew Luck. Youngest turned about my city, ain't having most right where you from. Got a bad bitch poppin' titties, she shaking ass right on the gun. When I is right back to that money, did what I can, not what I wanted. Big ass finesse, get right up on him, he reached his hand.